is no such thing as a mother not getting enough milk. I'm a doctor and a mother, yet I was not able to exclusively breastfeed my son. उसको मुझे formula भी देना पड़ा, उसको मुझे breast milk भी देना पड़ा. Am I contradicting myself? No. I was not able to feed him because I did not know about something called dry sucking. Hi guys, this is Dr. Farah Adam. Today, in association with Hindustan Time Health Shots, I bring to you this episode on dry sucking. I'm a family physician and I also do lactation counseling. And मेरे typical patients जो आते हैं वो 3 to 4 weeks after delivery आते हैं and बोलते हैं कि मेरा बच्चा he's taking 1 bottle of formula, 60 ml of formula, 90 ml of formula, and I want to stop that and exclusively breastfeed. मुझसे नहीं हो रहा है formula देना. And when I asked them कि आपने शुरू क्यों किया था, so they say when the baby was 2 to 3 days old, he was hungry, and the doctor or they themselves they start formula for the baby. Now this is where we go wrong, and this is exactly what happened with me also. My pediatrician had started formula for my son, and that's where हमने अपने ही पैर पे कुल्हाड़ी मार ली थी. Now before I go into this concept of dry sucking, let me tell you some things about your newborn baby. उसका जो पेट होता है at birth, that can hold up to 7 ml of milk at a time. उसका volume 7 ml है. 7 ml पता है कितना होता है? 1.5 teaspoon. That's it. 1.5 teaspoon. इतना छोटा सा पेट है. So what the baby needs at one feed is just 1 teaspoon, few drops of milk. That's it. और आपको जो उतना आ रहा है उस time, that is more than enough for the baby. The first 2 or 3 days, that is enough for the baby. And yet parents get confused कि बच्चा इतना क्यों sucking चाहता है, बच्चा क्यों रो रहा है, doesn't seem satisfied. Let me explain why is that. Number 1, the nipple of the mother has a similar smell to the amniotic fluid. Amniotic fluid क्या है? It's a fluid in which the baby bounces when he's living inside of you. So the smells are similar. So the baby gets comfort from just sucking. So he's trying to pacify himself. ये कौन सी नई दुनिया में आ गया हूँ? Okay, this is my mother. This is the smell I was used to. So the baby needs that familiarity. That's why he's sucking non-stop. Point number 2. The close contact between the mother and baby that happens in breastfeeding, that helps in regularizing the baby's heartbeat as well as breathing rate. So that is very important for the baby's internal organ functions. Point number 3, the most important reason why the baby needs to suck and has to suck so much and वो उसको pacifier देके आप नहीं रोकिए is because जब demand बढ़ेगा तभी supply बढ़ेगा. Your body is very intelligent. वो अपने resources कभी waste नहीं करेगी. For example, अगर आप weight lose करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, you know how difficult it is going to be for you? You know that. We all know how difficult it is to lose weight. That's because the body will not waste any resources if it is functioning well. Same thing with breast milk. Breast milk is so protein rich, carbohydrate rich, such a nutrient rich fluid, the body will not simply produce it and waste it. If there is a demand, if the baby is sucking, then the brain will know, okay, I need to produce more milk. And वैसे ही दूध आएगा बच्चे को. Because of the continuous sucking the baby is doing throughout the day, that's when the supply will come. And वो जो छठी का दूध बोलते हैं, the milk the mother gets on the 6th day, it's going to be mature milk. It is going to be, that is when you're going to be irritated by the engorgement and the fullness of the breast. And that is how you'll be able to exclusively breastfeed your little one. That's all for the episode of dry sucking. Guys, please check out my book, Newborns and New Moms. It's available on Amazon right now. If you're an Indian city girl, you should definitely read this book. If you're planning, pregnant, or just had a baby or had a baby 10 years ago also, you've got to pick this book. This book will prepare you about the realities of life after childbirth. And this is the one book you'll find which talks more about the care of the mother than the care of the baby. And I'm sure you're going to benefit a lot from this. That's a wrap. Bye-bye, guys.